Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great and is in good health and great spirits. I want to welcome all new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you are all able to navigate through the page. Please leave a comment for saying hi so that I exactly know, and if you have any questions or anything, just shoot out an email or leave a comment. I'll be able to help. Before we get going, just want to tell you guys that we are a community of 12,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This happened over the weekend, so really special for us, and makes me want to work hard, give you better activities. So the channel is all about having great DIY activities for something that you can make it at home without getting a lot of expensive stuff. And that was my primary goal when I started the channel for Vivan, and when we were doing all this stuff. So the theme remains the same, the concept remains the same. So I want to just make it more engaging and more useful. Want to explore new ideas, definitely. And thank you so much for supporting and keep pushing me the way you are. Before we get going, there's a giveaway that is going on, which is a worldwide cash prize giveaway, which is $150. A lot of you have already participated. Yes, I have seen all your emails that you've been pouring in, but a lot of you, I think, were not sure that whether it's still on. Yes, it's on. The result, the winner would be actually announced on August 17th. So you have a lot of time. Go ahead. I'm dropping the link below, also up here on the cards. You could see, and you can definitely participate in the giveaway. Along with that, what we're going to be doing today is I'm sharing with you a great brain teaser activity, which is going to be extremely high on critical thinking and logical reasoning. And once I'm going to be going in the video and explaining it to you, all the activities that I've shown, that's part one, guys. So I'm going to be telling you that there'll be more parts coming to it. So that's part one, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So let's get going, but don't forget to leave a comment below, and let's get going. Alright, so today we're going to be doing brain teasers congruent part 1. So congruent is basically, it means an agreement or harmony of identical in forms coinciding exactly when they are superimposed. Alright, so let me show you an example, okay, and let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, do you think they're all in harmony here? You might be thinking they are, right? Because they're all squares, but you know what, they're actually not. They're not in harmony here, because it says identical in form coinciding exactly when superimposed. So when you mean superimposed is when I keep this on top of another one, they should all look the same. Okay, so let's see how, and let's go by activity number 1. Activity number 1, the kids have to spot and mark the congruent. I'm using the Megaformers manipulative just for the kids to figure it out and see one by one. You could also use a triangle if you have, or if not, just like a pointer or something, so that they know exactly what shape they're looking at. All right, and then they need to find the congruent right here. Okay, so if this is here, they need to find which is the one when you superimpose on this looks exactly the same. So when I was talking about superimposed, I meant this. So like this and this are not in harmony, because when I'm going to put one on top of another, you could still see the purple thing, right? So that's not in harmony. However, if I put this and this, it's still not in harmony. All right. But when I put this and this, they are all in sync and they are in harmony because of the same shape and same color. So I'm sorry. So this is how you actually spot a congruent. So this was the first activity in which they have to figure it out, that how this abacus is trying to create different shapes, and how are they going to find the same one on this side. Okay, let's move on to the second one. Second activity, they have to find the congruent triangles. So there are 4 different ways of triangles, 4 different shapes, I would say, of triangles that I've shared here. And this activity would primarily cater to kids who are 4 plus. So I think that will be really, really exciting and engaging for them. You might be thinking it's easy, but don't even think, because you will not believe that the kids are trying to figure it out. Why? I mean, everything looks so similar. What is the difference? So the difference is because you have to superimpose something on top of another. So gradually we are going to increase the level of difficulty, not in the beginning. So because in the beginning they need to have the familiarity with the shapes and the way the whole thing goes, and that's when you make it more difficult or challenging or more engaging in the following activities. So here what they have to do, they have to figure out what shape is this. Again, they'll find this one and then they have to find the same. I think this looks exactly the same, but the shape might be same, but is the size same? No, the size is not same. Okay, and these are the questions once you're doing the activity with your child, ask them. Okay, this is the same size, same shape, and if you cut this out, put on top of another, they're going to look exactly the same. So this is how they're going to figure it out. This goes with this. You can obviously put this in a sleeve, or you could put it in a Ziploc if you want to keep trying it over and over again. Don't forget, if you want to get this printable, this is a free printable that I'm going to be sharing with all of you guys. Just leave a comment in the section box below and you will find this file in the description box. But once you download, please leave a comment so that I know that you are liking it, or you have, or how do you find about what do you like about these activities. Just share your views with me. All right, in activity 3 you would find a twin. Okay, and when I say twin, you would see I have used black and white today and not the colored pictures, because black and white actually make the brain think more. All right, it gets more engaging. It involves more critical thinking and logical reasoning. So here you have these shapes, okay, and you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you have 7 here. They need to find the congruent shape which can be superimposed on top of one another. So if you see, the activity level 1 was easy. In second one we did triangles. In third one now we are using these shapes which are very similar, but they're very confusing because they all look exactly the same, and that's when the kids have to mark. So try and once the child is doing, let them do 2 at a time, then 2 more, then 2 more, so that they are engaged, and if they want to do it willingly, all of them together, then it's great. Activity number 4 is about stairs, okay, and it's about arrows that are going up and down. So you might first look and see that you're not able to understand what's happening, and especially from a perspective of a child, they might think they all look so similar. It's very confusing, okay, and that's why it's a brain teaser, so that they sit down and always tell them to look one picture at a time. So once they're looking at this picture, see where the arrow is going and where the ladder is going, and tell them then to figure it out, that if you have to find another one, that you're going to pick it up and superimpose, just exactly how I'd mentioned. I'm going to give another example with my Megaformer. So I have these 4, okay, and I have this. So try and see if you can use a manipulative and show them with the example. If you have this, which one do you think is a congruent to this one? This one? The shape is the same, but the color is not. No? How about this one? I don't think so, but how about this one? Yes, it is. And now when you look at them, they are right now, not now. Now they are, because they're absolutely same. When you see them from the top, you see exactly the same color. Yeah. So this is how, guys, congruent activities work. And if you really like these activities, you can definitely download the printable. It's in the description box below. But please, if you download, leave a comment, like the video, and do subscribe my channel. I would love you to share this video with your friends and families, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.